Hello everyone, welcome back to Arun Commerce and Management Academy. Today's video is for BCom General, Semester 1, subject is Foreign Trade. In this video, we will see the most important questions, that is essay and short questions. These important questions will help you to get maximum marks in SEM exam. Before going to start the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let's start. First essay questions. In this, out of 10, you need to write 5 and each question carries 12 marks. That means you need to write in detail minimum 2.5 to maximum 4 pages. Okay. Unit 1. First question. What is foreign trade? Explain features and types of foreign trade. So here you need to explain the definition of foreign trade and explain in detail what are the features and types of foreign trade. Next, what are the important documents used in foreign trade? So here you need to explain all the important documents which are used in the foreign trade. Then next, define foreign trade, discuss the types of foreign trade in detail. So here first give the definition of foreign trade and explain all the types of foreign trade in detail. Then next, what is meant by bill of lading? Discuss its types and functions. So here please explain what do you mean by bill of lading and discuss its types and all functions. Then next, define marine insurance policy and mention the contents in it. Then next question, what are the important documents used in export shipment? Unit 2, balance of trade and balance of payments. Question number 1. What are the components of balance of payment and balance of trade? So here we need to explain all the components of balance of payment and balance of trade. Question number 2. What are the measures for correcting disequilibrium in balance of payment? So here explain all the measures for correcting disequilibrium in balance of payment. Question number 3. What is disequilibrium of balance of payment? Write the causes of disequilibrium. So here elaborate all the causes of disequilibrium. Then question number 4. Write a note on India's balance of payments. So here write in detail about India's balance of payments. Question number 5. Explain the differences between balance of trade and balance of payments. So here clearly we need to present various differences between balance of trade and balance of payments. Unit 3. Indian trade policy. Question number 1. Brief out the highlights of current foreign trade policy. So here we need to highlight all the highlights of current foreign trade policy. Then question number 2. Describe the export promotion measures taken by Government of India. So here we need to elaborate all the measures which are taken by the Government of India. Question number 3. What are the common characteristics of India's foreign trade policy? So here we need to highlight all the features of India's foreign trade policy. Question number 4. Explain various foreign trade policies of India. So here we need to explain briefly all the various foreign trade policies of India. Question number 5. Discuss the importance and implementation of trade policy of India. So here we need to explain the implementation of trade policy of India and its importance. Question number 6. Explain the EXIM policy of 2015-2020. So here we need to explain clearly the EXIM policy of 2015 to 2020. Unit 4. Foreign trade and trade blocks. Question number 1. Explain the importance of foreign trade and its merits and demerits. So here we need to explain all the merits of foreign trade and its demerits in detail. Question number 2. What are trade blocks? Discuss the types of trade blocks. So here we need to give the definition of trade blocks and elaborate various trade blocks. Question number 3. Write the significance of foreign trade and reasons for slow growth of exports. So here we need to explain the importance of foreign trade and what are the various reasons for slow growth of exports. Question number 4. What is European Union? Explain the objectives of it. So here we need to explain the meaning of European Union and we need to explain its objectives clearly. Question number 5. Explain the role of SAARC in the development of foreign trade. So here we need to explain the role of SAARC in the development of foreign trade. Unit 5. International Economic Institutions. Question number 1. Explain the objectives and functions of IMF. So here we need to explain all the functions of IMF and its objectives. Question number 2. Explain the objectives, functions and features of WTO, means World Trade Organization. Question number 3. Explain the objectives and functions of World Bank. So here we need to explain all the objectives as well as the functions of World Bank. Question number 4. Discuss the differences between IMF and IBRD. So here we need to explain the various differences between IMF and IBRD. Question number 5. Discuss the differences between GATT and WTO. Then question number 6. What are the functions of New Development Bank? So here we need to explain all the various functions of New Development Bank. Question number 7. Explain the following: TPP, UNCTAD. So here we need to write all these long questions in detail. The star mark for the above questions indicates very important questions. Short questions. In this, out of 8 questions, you need to write 5. Each question carries 4 marks. That means minimum you can write 10 to 15 lines, maximum up to 1 page. Okay. So let's start. So these are the short questions like define foreign trade, marine insurance policy, New Development Bank, Trans-Pacific Partnership, that is TPP, Bill of Exchange, BOP, disequilibrium of BOP, equilibrium, inspection of certificate, certificate of origin, balance of trade, free trade area, preferential trade area, trade deficit, AIIB, BRICS, WTO, objectives of IMF, EXIM policy, airways bill, explain TRIPS and TRIMS, import policy, electronic importer exporter code, service export from India scheme, visible and invisible trade blocks. So this is all about most important questions in foreign trade subject. If you like this video, do like, share and comment. Thank you.